Unlocking the meaning of "to set the seal on." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a particularly interesting phrase, "to set the seal on." It's a phrase that packs a lot of meaning and history, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English comprehension. So, let's get into it and unlock the secrets behind this expression. The phrase, "to set the seal on," is used metaphorically to mean to finalize or confirm something in a conclusive way. It's akin to putting a final stamp of approval on an action, decision, or document, signifying that it is complete and unchangeable. Originally, this phrase had a literal meaning in the context of sealing documents or letters with wax to ensure their authenticity and to keep them confidential. The act of sealing in those times was both practical and symbolic, indicating authority, security, and finality. To truly grasp the essence of "to set the seal on," let's look at some examples in context. 1. After winning the championship, the team set the seal on their victory with a celebratory parade. Here, the phrase means that the parade was a final, confirming act that marked their victory as complete and celebrated. 2. Signing the contract set the seal on the agreement between the two companies. In this case, it signifies that signing the contract was the conclusive action that confirmed and finalized the agreement. 3. Her heartfelt speech set the seal on the evening, leaving everyone in awe. Here, the speech is seen as the final touch that conclusively made the evening memorable and complete. Using "to set the seal on" in your own conversations or writing can add depth and a touch of formality or finality. It's best used in contexts where an action or event marks the completion or confirmation of something important. Here are a few tips on using it. Ensure the context is right. This phrase fits best in situations where there is a clear conclusion or finalization of an event, agreement, or decision. Combine with descriptive details to make your use of "to set the seal on" more impactful. Accompany it with details that highlight the significance of the concluding action or event. Understand your audience. This phrase carries a certain level of formality and sophistication. Make sure it suits the tone and comprehension level of your audience. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "to set the seal on." We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this interesting expression, enriching your English vocabulary and understanding. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its nuances and the stories behind each phrase. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.